and 51986.
And we are at the Marysville Carnival.
And there's fireworks.
It's Friday at about 11 o'clock.
Well, actually like 11:17.
And this is my sea pals. Here, can you see it?
It's a man.
It's a manta ray. His name is Stinger.
I heard these like gunshots. That's pretty color. Purple and green, awesome.
And also Swiss stars here. So Skyteras. So cool. Okay.
Two at once. Oh, purple and green.
Here it comes.
Here's one. Oh, pretty. A small one.
We had the fireworks at our 4th of July party, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had these kind of fireworks. They're illegal, though. They're illegal.